Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a nice and simple echo effect in After Effects. Starting off, I already have my two clips right here, but apart from that, I'm going to right click, go to new, and create a new adjustment layer right here. And then I'm going to put an adjustment layer above both of our clips right here. Starting off, for the first effect I'm going to add, it's going to be noise. I'm going to go over here to use color noise, and I'm just going to untick it. So for example, I'm just going to increase our noise a lot. So you can see obviously it's kind of black right here, but if we were to turn on color noise, you can see all these colors right here. So again, if I were to turn it back off, it's black and white, and multiple colors are just black and white in total. So I'm going to go over here to our amount of noise. I'm going to bring it down to 9. Maybe increase it a bit so we have a bit of more noise right here. So after that, I'm going to close that out. The next effect I'm going to add is glow. I'm going to go right here on stylize and then add glow. I'm going to go over here on glow threshold. Then I'm going to put it at 48.6. It's going to start increasing our threshold of our glow. So it's going to reach in multiple areas. If I were to have it on the actual resetted value, you can see right here the difference. And if you want, you can also just bring it right here. There's multiple ways you can mess with this. So I'm going to go right here and put our radius at 106. Next effect I'm going to add is actual CC light rays. It's a standard effect that comes with After Effects. I'm going to go with CC light rays right here. And the purpose of this effect is going to start giving this nice light rays effects right here. You can see this dot right here. And what we're going to do is drag it into the middle of our clip. So about right here. You can also just bring it down, just depending on where your subject is at. Starting off, I'm going to go right here to our intensity. Go from 100 to 174. That's going to start giving a much harsher light ray effect right here. Next, I'm going to go to about the middle of our first clip right here. So about right here. Then I'm going to go to my radius and put it at 0. Then I'm going to create our first keyframe right here by clicking on our time watch. Then I'm about to go to the start of our second clip right here. Then I'm going to go back to my radius. Then put it at 444 or 444. Next, I'm going to highlight all of our keyframes right here. Then I'm going to ease it. Next, I'm going to go right here on our first keyframe right here that we added. I'm going to go to warp softness. Then I'm going to drop it down to 0. I'm going to open up my timeline. Then I'm going to go to this keyframe right here. And I'm just going to bring it back up to 50. So I'm going to right click on my settings right here and just click on reset. Once after that, I'm going to highlight my keyframes right here. Then I'm going to ease it. I'm going to go right here. Then I'm just going to add the simple effect of posterize time. So apart from that, I'm going to go over here to our frame rate and put it at 12. I'm going to close this out. And once again, always make sure to save your project. And if you follow the step-by-step process in this video, your final effect should look like this. If you learned something new from this video, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading weekly content based around editing tutorials. I upload around 3 to 4 times a week. And apart from that, keep on staying creative, work hard, chase your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.